Good morning, friends. We are on chapter number 6 of account part 2, that is cash flow statement. In there, we have already finished with the classification of activities which were operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity. Today, in this video, we will talk about some special activities. So, topic for today is special activities. In that, number one, two activities from one transaction. So friends, any transaction which will be having more than one activity, maybe investing and financing, or investing and operating, or financing and operating. Two types of payments are included in each installment of hire purchase payment towards principal amount and interest. So, suppose you purchase an asset on installment basis, and whenever you will be paying that installment, it will be having two payments, one towards interest and another towards the principal amount. So friend, the principal amount payment is a investing activity, and that interest payment is a financing activity. Payment towards principal, that is payment towards cash price, is what it is investing activity, value of asset increase, investing activity of cash outflow. Whereas interest payment, it is return of liability, thus it is a financing activity and financing activity of cash outflow. So, two activities from one transaction, one financing activity, another investing activity from the transaction where you are paying the hire purchase installment, which include interest as well as principal. Second, cash transaction but no cash inflow or outflow. Friend, there may be a cash transaction but there is no cash inflow or outflow. There are two such transactions. One is cash deposited with bank, second cash withdrawn from bank. In both the conditions, cash and equivalent are not going to be changed. Cash reduce, bank balance increase if you deposit the cash, and if you withdraw, cash increase and bank balance reduces. Cash balance and bank balance are shown at the same place in cash flow statement. It is known as cash and cash equivalent. This transaction has a relation with cash but does not influence the cash and cash equivalent. Let us talk about the next one. Third, non-cash transactions and provisions. Many transactions of business are not done in cash form, thus during preparation of cash flow these transactions are not considered as cash flow. For example, depreciation charge on tangible assets, amount amortized on intangible asset, issue of equity shares and debentures without cash consideration, conversion of debentures into equity. So friend, there may be some non-cash transaction which will not be considered as cash flow, neither inflow or outflow. Such transactions are depreciation or intangible assets written off, amount amortized on intangible asset, or issue of equity share or debentures without consideration of cash, and conversion of debentures into equity shares. So friends, these are special activity. In next lecture we will take few transaction and we will try to find out whether they are financing, investing or operating activity, and whether they are of inflow or outflow. Thank you.